Belanyo Kirimasingsakhe ngitoka NH8 Assam Agartala National Highway 47 mile Shiv Mondir amchayo Kirimasingsakhe lama terma nuzaka obobai hakwagai Kwlaimano tai Jephuru Phano kotor derakora ngimano.
Welcome to the future of innovation, where minds meet technology and dreams become reality. ICFA University Tripura, your gateway to a world of endless possibilities. Our state-of-the-art campus is a melting pot of brilliance, a place where creativity and technology converge. From modern lecture halls to advanced laboratories, we provide an environment that fosters intellectual growth and hands-on learning. Our dedicated faculties are experts in their fields, passionate about mentoring the next generation of innovators. From adrenaline-pumping matches to our all genre of sports, our campus is alive with the spirit of competition. Within the realms of Ikeria, emerging as artists whose creations resonate with the heartbeat of artistic expression. Making Ikeria the true epicenter of creativity, where innovation meets education. Join us on the journey to redefine what's possible. Your future begins here. ICFA University Tripura. Dream big.